about Mobileye, which has already changed the world of safe driving from A to Z, is going to revolutionize the way you get from A to B.
But first, before we get to the big news, let's start with something small, very small. In 2007, Mobileye introduced its first generation of Smart IQ chip.
In this little chip, there are some of the world's most sophisticated computer vision and AI algorithms for ADAS technology. Now, in its 5th generation, the IQ can help you avoid a collision by telling your car to brake in an emergency situation or keep you from drifting out of your lane, and can even power fully autonomous driving.
No wonder Mobileye's groundbreaking technology has been adopted by most of the world's leading automakers.
And today, over 25 of those leading automakers rely on Mobileye's technology to make their cars safer.
Well, Steph, I will see your 25 and raise you 50.
Ooh, look at him go!
Over 50 million vehicles carry Mobileye's technology today around the world.
But enough with the present. Let's jump to the future,
Oh
right,
yes,
Liam?
let's go.
So let's say it's Friday night and you're hailing a ride on your phone.
Okay.
But when it pulls up, there's no driver inside.
You're kidding, go on.
Meet Mobileye's Robotaxi, the future of mobility. Mobileye and its parent company Intel are going all in with their global robotaxi service and planning to bring their end-to-end mobility as a service or mass solution to cities around the world. A global market that's predicted to be worth $160 billion by 2030.
160, you must tell me more.
You're hilarious, look at that. Well, it's less complicated than it sounds.
Okay.
All you need is a fleet of highly sophisticated autonomous cars with an AI decision-making system, constantly refreshing HD maps with real-time updates on traffic, hazards, and infrastructure, redundant sensors, demand analysis, mobility intelligence, fleet operations, an onboard content delivery platform, customer-facing applications, and you are ready to go.
Steph, you lost me at AI.
But you're so smart. Come on, you gotta catch up, Liam. Because it's going to happen sooner than you think. For its first commercial mass project, launching in 2022 in Tel Aviv, Mobileye has partnered with Volkswagen to bring electric robotaxis to the streets of the city. And that's just the beginning. Mobileye also announced new MOS projects with the RATP in France and a robotaxi vehicle with Neo.
Okay, but I mean, everybody's already talking about robotaxis. That's so 2019, right?
Yes, but only Mobileye has 4 aces that combine both technological superiority and thought leadership.
Strong position in ADAS.
World-leading computer vision capabilities.
Unmatched crowdsourced mapping technology.
And a first-of-its-kind formal model for safety. We've already talked about ADAS, where Mobileye was a pioneer. Well, now they're leveraging that technology, which has been validated and tested in millions of vehicles to build a full self-driving system.
And thanks to its cutting-edge computer vision capabilities, Mobileye's test vehicles are already driving today, fully autonomously, and in a highly challenging drive environment based on cameras alone. Now, in parallel, it has a separate subsystem made up of radars and lidars, which can also support fully autonomous driving on its own. Now, these two independent systems, one camera-based and one radar and lidar-based, enable Mobileye to offer what it calls true redundancy.
What's true redundancy?
So if early in the process you fuse camera, radar, and lidar inputs into one view, there's not actually a lot of real redundancy. True redundancy creates a profound synergy between the two sensing modalities to offer better safety and faster validation.
You're so smart, Liam.
Thank you.
Now we go to the maps, right?
Yes.
Unmatched, crowdsourced mapping technology.
So thanks to Mobileye's REM high-definition crowdsourced mapping technology and strong position in ADAS, tens of thousands of consumer vehicles equipped with Mobileye's technology collect more than 4 million miles of data every day.
Wowee.
REM technology automatically turns this data into HD maps and continually refreshes them.
This is a true game changer.
You are not kidding, and let me tell you this, Mobileye is close to mapping all of Europe's roads, and by the end of this year, most US roads will also be mapped.
Incredible. And finally, RSS, or Responsibility Sensitive Safety. RSS is a mathematical model that basically takes the human concepts of safe driving and translates them into mathematical rules to create a safety envelope around the car. The deterministic definition of safe driving allows an agile, yet human-like driving experience that balances between safety and useful driving, just like you can see here in a challenging drive through the streets of Jerusalem.
And I thought driving through Los Angeles was challenging?
At least they have this autonomous car, right?
Mobileye is driving us to the future of mobility. Now you can see how Mobileye is integrating all of these pieces together to operate a robotaxi service and drive us to a better future. A future with fewer accidents and fewer parking problems, less congestion and less pollution, and much more accessible and affordable mobility for all. So, do you want to ride? The future starts now at these counters.
Our Mobileye representatives can't wait to chat with you. Thank you.